Hello guys, today I'm back with another video. So in this video we'll see how to create D drive or any other partition from C drive in Windows without installing any software. So if your computer has only C drive, then it's risky because if Windows crashes, then your data can be lost. So it's very important to create another drive which helps keeping data safe and organized. So without any delay, let's go and see how to make another drive. So right click, go to disk management, then right click on the C drive, this one. So here you can see how much space is free. So 222. So I just want to do 100 GB in the D drive. Right click, shrink volume. So here you can put the space, how much you want to create a GB. So in my case, I'll just put 100 GB, and that's 12400. So 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabytes. So this will give me 100 GB. Click on shrink. So here I got 100 GB unallocated. So now you want to make this as a drive name. Right click, new simple volume. Next. So here is the maximum size here. So click on next so that you will get 100 GB in the D drive. And you can put the name here, D, E, any name that you want. So I'll put D in my case. And then you can put a volume name. And then click on next and click on finish. So your D drive is ready. So to see that, you can click on here on the file explorer, then go to this PC, and then you will see your D drive over here. And here, make sure you don't delete any existing partition like this, and only shrink C drive and create a new volume carefully. So if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more IT tips like this. Thank you. Bye.